Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. It is a question paper of Aston Conservator Forest Geology 2014 question paper, and I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, GSI and other state level eligibility tests and civil services exam, ONGC exam and other exams. Welcome to set 3. First question. Large trunks as well as broken pieces of fossil wood in several places are found in. Choices are A. Tiruchinapalli group, B. Uttaturu group, C. Ariyaluru group and D. Inuyuru group. So all these are they belong to Cretaceous succession, and the large trunks as well as the broken pieces of fossil wood in several places are found in the Tiruchinapalli group. A is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following does not indicate physical evidence of correlation? A. Unconfirmable relations. B. Structural development. C. Continuity of strata. D. Evolutionary development. So, which does not indicate the physical evidence of correlation means? So, evolutionary development. So, this is the correct option. So, it does not indicate any physical evidence of correlation, whereas unconfirmable relations, structural development, continuity of strata, they all indicate the evidence of correlation. So, D is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is in the correct order of sequence? A. System, series, stage, zone. B. Series, system, stage, zone. C. System, series, zone, stage. And D. Series, system, zone, stage. So, the correct order of a sequence is system, next is series, next is stage, next is zone. A is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following terms was originally used in geology by Futsal for the continuous succession of strata produced under similar conditions? A. Formation. B. Group. C. System. D. Series. So, the correct answer is formation. Formation was originally used in geology by Futsal for the continuous succession of strata which are produced under similar conditions. So, A. Formation is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following groups of the Vindhyans is mainly calcareous? A. Rewa group. B. Sembri group. C. Kaimur group and D. Bandar group. So, the correct option is Sembri group. The lower part of the Vindhyan system, it is made up of calcareous, and traditionally the Sembri group, it is referred as the lower Vindhyans, whereas the Kaimur, Rewa and Bandar are the upper Vindhyans, and the lower part, that is the Sembri group, this is mainly calcareous. B is the correct option. Next question. The duration of the Cretaceous period is A. 80 million years, B. 70 million years, C. 55 million years and D. 40 million years. So, the correct option is 70 million years. So, this Cretaceous period, it lasted a long time, nearly 70 million years ago, making it the longest geological period of the Phanerozoic eon, which began some 539 million years ago, and the Cretaceous is split into two smaller time periods called epochs. So, the duration of the Cretaceous period is 70 million years. B is the correct option. Next question. The fossils definitely indicate dash age for the Panchat group. So, A. Upper Carboniferous, B. Lower Triassic, C. Upper Triassic, D. Middle Triassic. The fossils, they indicate the lower Triassic age of the Panchat group. So, B is the correct option. Next question. Needle shales are found in A. Talcher, B. Barakar, C. Raniganj, D. Karharwari. So, needle shales are found in Talcher stage. So, this Talcher stage is made up of a greenish shales. These are also known as the needle shales. They are due to the characteristic weathering which they exhibit. So, needle shales are found in Talcher group. Next question. The geological age of the Ariyalur group ranges from A. Maastrichtian to Daunian, B. Cenomanian to Upper Albian, C. Turonian to Senonian, D. Senonian to Maastrichtian. So, the geological age of the Ariyalur group, it ranges from Senonian to Maastrichtian. So, D is the correct option. Next question. Myrmikite is sometimes seen while fine-grained uplight is common in A. Peninsular gneiss, B. Charnockite, C. Closepet granite, D. Champion gneiss. So the correct option is close-bed granite. The close-bed granite in South India is a large syntectonic Archean granitic complex, and applied it is any intrusive igneous rock of simple composition such as granite composed only of alkali feldspar, muscovite mica and quartz. So C, close-bed granite is the correct option. Next question. According to B. Ramarao's classification of the Dharwars, Shimoga and Baba Budan belts are confined to. Choices are A. West Central Group, B. East Central Group, C. Easternmost Group, D. Westernmost Group. So the correct option is, according to Ramara's classification of the Dharwar, Shimoga and Baba Budan belts are confined to West Central Group. A is the correct option. Next question. The process of complete mineralization of the original structures of plants, bones or shells by which more or less original material is preserved is known as A. Recrystallization, B. Petrifaction, C. Carbonization and D. Pyritization. The process of complete mineralization of the original structures of plants, bones or shells by which more or less original plant material is preserved is known as a petrifaction. Petrifaction is the process by which organic matter which is exposed to the minerals over a long period is turned into a stony substance or rock. So B. Petrifaction is the correct answer. Next question. In which of the following gastropod the dextral coiling is seen? A. Physa, B. Conus, C. Planarbis and D. Cypria. So the correct answer is B. Conus. Most gastropod shells are spirally coiled, and the majority, that means over 90% of the gastropod species have dextral or right-handed shells, and the conus will have a dextral coiling, that is right-hand side coiling. B. Conus is the correct option. Next question. Two small calcareous plates by which deltherium is closed in brachiopoda are called A. Anterior area, B. Deltidium, C. Pseudodeltidium and D. Foramen. So the correct option is deltidium. So two small calcareous plates by which deltherium is closed in brachiopoda, it is called as a deltidium. B is the correct option. Next question. All the whorls except the last whorl constitute which part of the shell in gastropods? A. Spire, B. Protoconch, C. Body whorl, D. Suture. So the correct option is A. Spire. Spire is the part of the shell of a gastropod, a mollusk or a gastropod. Thus the spire in most gastropods is pointed and the tip being is known as the apex. So all the whorls except the last whorl constitute the spire of the shell in gastropods. A is the correct option. Next question. The study of conditions of burials of fossils is called A. Paleontology, B. Taphonomy, C. Mineralization and D. Distillation. The study of condition of burial of fossils is called taphonomy. Taphonomy is the study of various overlapping consecutive processes which can affect organic remains prior to the burial and their inclusion in the fossil record. So the study of condition of burial of fossils is called taphonomy. B is the correct option. Next question. The simplest form of cephalopod shell in a straight is a straight cone which is termed as. So that means what is the simplest form of cephalopod shell? A. Gyroceracone, B. Arthoceracone, C. Taphriceracone and D. Critoceracone. So the correct option is Arthoceracone. B is the correct option. Next question. The third and posterior part of the exoskeleton of trilobites is known as A. Cephalon, B. Glabella, C. Pygidium and D. Thorax. The third and the posterior part of the exoskeleton of the trilobites is known as a pygidium. So that means the trilobites are divided into three parts: head, thorax and pygidium. So pygidium is the third and posterior part. It is also known as the tail part. So C, pygidium is the correct answer. Next question. In brachiopods, the spiriferid type of shells have A. Straight hinge line and width is more than the length, B. Straight hinge line and width is less than the length, and C. Curved hinge line and length is more than the width, and D. Curved hinge line and length is less than the width. So in brachiopods, in spiriferid types of shells, they have the straight hinge line with width is more than the length. Next question. The lophophore is enclosed in the mantle cavity of A. Brachiopod, B. Lamellibranch, C. Gastropods and D. cephalopods. So the correct option is A. Brachiopods. The lophophore is a characteristic feeding organ. This is possessed by major group of animals and especially brachiopoda. So the lophophore is enclosed in the mantle cavity of brachiopods. A is the correct option. Hope you have learned something from these questions, and hope you can subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.